Hi YouTube, this is Matt McIntosh, and with this video I want to show you how you can make use of the object paint feature. So what I'm doing here is I'm basically going to pick a bunch of elements within my scene. So I'm going to pick a tree, a fern, a little kind of plant, shrub thing, and another tree. And what I want to do with these is actually paint them around a specific area in my scene, rather than placing them by hand. So I've got this list of objects here, but I'm going to show you how you can go about getting that list made. So at the moment you can either paint on your object or you can paint with a list of objects. So I've just created that list, but if you wanted to add any more, it's just under this area. You can tell it whether you want to paint in order or whether it's random out of those elements. You can paint on the selected objects, so I'm going to select this beach element to paint on top of, and yeah, it's got a whole bunch of different features. So you can stray off of the path that you're drawing on, you can increase its scale, its rotation, and also, as we can see from this, everything's a bit clumped together. So what I'm going to do is increase the spacing in the creation of these objects so that they're a little bit more forgiving on the computer. So I'm just going to kind of play around with the values until I get something that I'm happy with. So this is getting much closer to something that's usable. So yeah, that's more effective. Now what I'm going to do, if I played with that button, I could change its orientation off of the line that I draw, but I'm going to go with the rotation in this section, and as you can see, it gives a bit of a twist to each of the elements and a bit of a tilt. I can also play around with the scaling, so this could be random or it could ramp up between 20 and 200%. That's its current default. I want to go for maybe 10, maybe up to 150%, but you can go a lot bigger, as you can see there. So that's how you can go about starting to create these objects, and if you play around with the settings you can get all sorts of different effects. And then once you're happy with what you've actually created, I will just readjust this one. You click on the little tick button to say that that's what you're happy with, and it creates them all as individual objects that you can play around with on their own. So if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and keep an eye out for future videos. Thanks for watching.